Hwaini wa tariki 11 mweri wa kana mwaka wa 2024 ni muhoko akwati we ni wagitidia thayo na no waikorwo kimathago kumia guku na ni ndaikorwo ngiikarira gitigiki kyo memere kyo ngetha ngorwo ngiguthiururukia kaunti ciothe 47 handu ciaro maguku bururi-ini nja wa itoka cia bururi aginya kuria iharo-ini nigetha ngorwo ngikumenyithia maria andiki aitu magitinda magitugathagathagira guku metha-ini itu ya Muthingi TV Aniria kwa getika Wambui Wajao na mutamburuko uyu witu no ukorwo kiwamukira kure mwena wa Facebook ukorwo gitutigira ndumiriri yaku ari Muthingi TV naguo mwena wa YouTube ni Muthingi TV na tukirika kiondo-ini gitu twambie na ripoti ino egie Azimio la Umoja thutha wa kana ni thiko igire thutha ukorwo makiuga ati ni makorwo makinyitanira na madagitari aria mari mugomo-ini uria wigirite thiko ya 29 na riu muthenya wa umuthi mutongoria wa mwaho uyu mundu gwetwa Raila Odinga ni aretie na kana ni aririe andiki a mohoro na kuria augite ati thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza no nginya ikorwo ikigiririka guoka ni horo wegie umarihi ma aruti a wera kuria augite ati madagitari no nginya mongererwo mishara nginyagia 260 na oho ni augite ati no nginya gukorwo na marehi ma thukuru maria maraikorwo magithoma kana aria makiri thukuru-ini cia ngathi ya iguru aria marathomera uhoro wegie ndagitari mwandiki witu Wanjiru wa Maina no aikorwo agibotana na kana no aikorwo agituhariria ripoti ino hwaini wa umuthi.
Jaji wa igoti nene ria Kirugoya Richard Mugongo ni ugiterendekithia ria kurekererio na bodi kwa mwene kirabu John Muriithi hari andu 17 kuma Kangai na Kadogu marakuire rigathira thutha wa aira aria magwetetwo ni gikundi kia acirithania guthikiririo thiku 60 nginya thiku 90.
Listen to the submissions of counsel on the bail bond application for the first accused. Carefully considered the application.
Riri mugomo wa Arigitani wigirite thiku ya 29 umuthi mutongoria wa mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ni aririirie mugomo uyu uria uthararitie motungata ma Arigitani mathibitari-ini ma muingi 57 guku bururi-ini.
We have reviewed the fact that members of the 7,000 strong Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union have been on strike since March 13th to demand better pay, and the strike has disrupted healthcare in the country's 57 public hospitals. We are of the view that the situation is moving from bad to worse, and soon we will have a full-blown crisis in which all health workers will down their tools.
Mama odo maria rairendekithite kuri thirikari nene gukorwo makiongerera arigitani mishara nginyagia ciringi 260 kuriha marihi ma thukuru kuri arutwo aria marathoma mathomo ma ngathi ya iguru uigananu wira-ini wao hamwe na kuhukia mathina maria arigitani mageragira hindi iria marandikwo mawira.
We therefore appeal to the government to address itself to the following 3 broad areas as a way of progress towards ending this strike. Pay for medical interns. For the last 7 years, interns have been earning 206,000 shillings per month. I therefore ask the government to reinstate the 206,000 shilling pay for interns until the next CBA negotiation, which is around the corner, kicks in. Fees and salaries for doctors pursuing further studies. Counties are supposed to pay salaries of doctors who are enrolled for further studies like master's degree, while the Ministry of Health is supposed to pay fees. Address the problem of doctors on contract. Equal pay for equal work.
Gukiri ogwo Raila ni oretie thirikari ya William Ruto hamwe na maafitha urigitani gukorwo makigea na giikaro niguo kwaririria maundu maya na ihenya uria kwahoteka kuona ugima wa mwiri wa muingi urathie na mbere kuhotoma.
I have a personal appeal to both the government and the doctors. After very wide consultations, I am convinced that the doctors and all other health workers currently on strike will be able to craft a return to work formula and resume duty if the government were to meet their demands halfway while negotiations continue. We ask them to act now. And if they don't, of course they know that the consequences will be very grave indeed.
Na tugitigana na icio turike nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na kuria mwene kirabu kiria giakorirwo gikiuraga makiria ma andu 10 thutha wa korwo makienderio njohi thumu riu ni arikikana ni ari ni imetwo bondi ni jaji munene mundu gwitwo Richard Mwango kuria augite ati John Mureithi no nginya eterere nginya aira aria mugwanja mariki gukorwo makiruta wira wao.
Jaji wa igoti nene ria Kirugoya Richard Mwango ni ugite rendekithia ria kurekererio na bodi kwa mwene kirabu John Mureithi hari andu 17 kuma Kangai na Kadou marakuire rigathira thutha wa aira aria magwetetwo ni gikundi kia acirithania guthikiririo thiku 60 nginya thiku 90.
Listen to the submissions of counsel on the bail bond application for the first accused. Carefully considered the application, notice of motion, and the grounds stated therein. Further considered the probation officer's report filed on 9th of April 2024.
Tariki 14 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu John Mureithi andu eri na maafitha a borithiana ni mathitangirwo ni undu wa kuragana no makirekererio na bodi haria Mureithi araimirwo bodi. John Mureithi kugerera wakiri wake Kemunto Magara nendekithitie arekererio na bodi haria ahitiirio mahitia mere. Ihitia ria mbere riri kuraga andu 17 kuu Kangai na ria keri kuiya uira uria urahingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiamashiri.
I view the failure of the defense to respond to the averments above as a matter of substance. Whilst it is true that the accused has a constitutional right to bail, that right is subject to the existence of compelling reasons. Compelling reasons place the interests of the accused in tension with the interests of the victims, the interests of the state, and the interests of the public. Satisfied that the public interests and the interests of the accused require that at this point he be kept in an environment of absolute safety in light of the IO's affidavit.
Jaji Richard Mwango neugite rendekithia ria John Mureithi rikurikirio thutha wa guthikiririo kwa aira 7 aria maragwetetwo ni gikundi kia acirithania matongoretio ni munini wa DPP Vincent Maba.
The application for bail is not dismissed but may be concluded after the hearing of the aforesaid 7 witnesses. Ordered that the evidence of the 7 witnesses will be fast-tracked within the next 60 to 90 days. The bond application shall be reconsidered thereafter.
Kirifotera Muthingi TV, Geto Wageshi wa Wachira.
Tugithie na mbere nake minister wa urimi guku bururi-ini mundu gwitwo Mithika Linturi ni atikiranĩtie na ndeto ya ati kuri na fertilizer ya maigirira na kuria ugite ni makiria ma ngunia 3,000. Linturi oho ni augite ati fertilizer ino ni kana ni imwe ni indo imwe ikoretwo ikiaga cia guthondeka na kuria ahoete muhera na makiria kuri arimi no ende kana arimi aingi ni makoretwo magitumura ciuria na makiria kuri ministry na uruti wa wira wayo.
Now 16th of July 2023, and you as National Board, you conducted a due diligence and can assure Kenyans that you saw this company that had been registered a couple of days.
He's just telling me now because when the tenders are being done, you know they are done at NSPB. The agree is important to have due diligence on whoever it is. But I think the tender, as was framed.
Bonus, yes.
Yes.
And because now you are not the one who issued the tender,
Yes.
the chair now directs that Joe, the SPB MD, to answer those questions relating to those tenders. Please. That's
I have no relationship. That was my question.
Okay.
And I raised it there.
The direction. My question goes to National Serious because they are the ones who procured. And Waziri has alluded to the fact that you did due diligence. I would be interested to know a company that was registered on the 16th of July 2023, how it can be allocated such a great big volume what due diligence did you do, and how did you even ascertain that a company that was just registered the other day had the capacity to deliver, and that in good quality? And then the other thing is, Kel Chemical and these MEMS, they had only a manufacturer's undertaking. Why was it not wise to give Kel Chemicals instead of giving a tenderpreneur a go-between? Thank you.
I have here, I've just searched the CR12, and I see there are 2 directors, which is this gentleman called Collins Ngetich, Kipchumba Ngetich, and Peter Orwa. I have a CR12 here that I've searched for this company. Okay? And there are 2 gentlemen here. Collins Kipchumba Ngetich is a director and shareholder with 7,800 shares. And number 2, Peter Oderon Orwa, who is also a director with 200 shares.
I'm saying you are not the one who issued the tender. So
na tugitigana na icio turuge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Turukana kuria ndagitari kuma kaunti ino ni maikitie ritana na makiria kuri thirikari ya kaunti ino gukorwo ikimateithiriria na ngari cia gukua arwaru kuona ati makoretwo magikua arwaru na nduthi. Munene wa mandagitari mundu gutolokel augite ati makoretwo makihuthira nduthi kuona ati ngari makiria ma 26 cikoretwo cithuku na maikitie ritana riri kuona ati ni makoretwo na ihinda iritu makiria rire maraikorwo magitwara arwaru thibitarĩ-inĩ.
Rĩrĩ mugomo wa marigitari wĩingĩrĩire wiki ya kana kuma rĩrĩa wambĩrĩirie. Mandagitari kuma kaunti ya Turukana rĩu nĩ maikĩtie mateta kũrĩ thirikari nene kuonania nĩ maragerera ihinda iritũ rĩrĩa maratungatĩra arwaru.
Find only one doctor covering one whole sub-county. And this doctor has to deal with the medical issues, the surgical issues, and all the emergencies. And in case there is a referral from one sub-county to the main hospital, LCRH.
Mandagitari nĩ maugĩte gũtikoretwo na ngari cia kũigana cia gũkua arwaru, ũndũ ũrĩa ũmacũngagĩrĩria kũhũthĩra nduthi hĩndĩ ĩrĩa maratwara arwaru thibitarĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Lodwar.
There is no proper referral system. You find patients being carried by border borders. We are losing mothers who are being carried. They need emergency CSs, and they are being carried through border borders. We don't have proper referral systems in the county, and we demand, if there is no proper health care or proper services that you are going to offer, we demand the government to sit with us, or we'll go on a complete shutdown. As for now, we are dealing with emergencies, but if our needs are not met, we will go on a complete shutdown.
Ona gukiri ugo ni maugite ngari nyingi iria ciahũthĩkaga hau kabere cia gũkua arwaru ni ciathũkire ũndũ ũrĩa thirikari ya kaunti ĩyo ndĩrĩ yamateithĩrĩria harĩ gũcithondekithia.
Ya kutengeneza hii ambulance hii nimeona iko mingi sana kwa garage. Waone tu njia ya kutengeneza hizo magari ili akuje asaidia wananchi, kwa sababu wananchi wanahangaika, wanaumia sana. Wale wako reserve wachana kama hapa town, wale wako reserve. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali yetu account waangalie hiyo mambo hiyo ya ambulance.
Kuringana na ndagĩtarĩ munene Dr. Koero ni augĩte makiria ma ngari 23 nicio cirĩ na mathĩna ũndũ ũrĩa ũhotometie wĩra wao. Nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa arwaru amwe makoretwo makĩgerera ihinda iritũ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtigĩte famĩlĩ nyingĩ na maithori nĩ ũndũ wa gũtigwo nĩ endwa ao hĩndĩ ĩrĩa marahanyũkio thibitarĩ-inĩ.
Of these 23 ambulances, they have all been actually decentralized to sub-counties and to sub-county hospitals. This is for the simple reason that so that they can be able to quickly respond in a timely manner to all emergencies that will occur. So time after time, of the 23 ambulances, there are a few that are actually due for service, so they're in garages. There are a few that have mechanical issues because you know the terrain of Turkana. But by my records, by Tuesday, this week Tuesday, 14 ambulances were actually operational in the entire of Turkana County.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthiki TV, Ngetwo King'ori, wa Gatudu.
Nake thutha wa minister wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen gukorwo akirekereria mawatho meru ma guthurima matatu cia muingi barabara-ini riu kamiti ya kana ene matatu kaunti-ini ya Naikuru matongoretio ni murugamiriri wao mundu gwitwo Stephen Muli ni mareganite na mawatho maya kuria maugite ati mamwe wamo maragithie na mbere gukorwo makihinyiria matereba mamwe kuria mokirire Kipchumba Murkomen kiria augite ati ni agondereire wira-ini wake kuona ati handu-ini ha mieri makiria ma andu 1,000 ni makoretwo magite mioyo yao barabara-ini toria mwandiki witu mundu gwitwo Wanjiru wa Maina aratariria.
Thutha wa minister wa ukui Kipchumba Murkomen kurekereria mawatho ma guthurima matatu cia muingi barabara-ini thikũ nini tu, undu uyu ni utungitie uregani ni kamiti ya ene matatu kaunti-ini ya Naikuru matongoretio ni murugamiriri wao niwe Stephen Muli makiuga ati ni mareganite na mawatho maya.
Hii mambo ya kusema retesting of matatu drivers, sisi kama miungano ya matatu tunapinga.
Ni turaigua twina kiha muno hindi ya CS witu Bwana Murkomen mundu tweciragia no uroka gututeithia arokira rucini rumwe akoiga matereba maitu ma matatu mathie mekwo testing ringi ati to ni kwagia na accident ya ngari itare ya matatu na yarigana na lori riu tugakiuria atiriri ngari ici ciothe cireka accident ri na hatire matatu irako involved ri arokirira matatu ciciki ni undu wake.
Atongoria kamiti-ini ino ni merumite keni na kuga ati matereba othe makorwo magikuruhanio mawatho-ini maya kuona nginyagia kamera cia thiri barabara-ini citiragiririria mitino ya barabara kuhanika na kwendekithia rori gukorwo igithie mathaa-ini ma muthenya.
Matereba maitu mathiri testing ri black spot icio ni guthama ni ariga gwikirwo kamera icio ni guthamia black spot handu ha marore wagiriru wa farafara na ma akone retesting tari umeke aduo the to the retesting
kurumirira wongerereku wa mitino ya barabara kamiti ino ni ukireire Murkomen ni undu wa kugonderera wira-ini wake amu ni agirire gukorwo akiaramia barabara iria cikunderete na uu ni thutha wa namba nene ya muingi gukorwo ikiongerereka.
Accidents zimeongezeka. Angalia ni zile barabara tu zile tumetumia over 20 years, hizo barabara asiyawahi panuliwa. And again unaangalia kwamba population imeongezeka, magari imeongezeka na barabara ni zile zile. Barabara zingine haziyakuwa marked. Na waziri Murkomen hiyo atilii maanani.
Minister uyu wa ukui ni orete atige kwigiritania na maundu ma maki ona thutha wake kuria ruhonge rwa ukui rwa NTSA gukorwo magicokereria barabara-ini.
Juzi ni aroigire NTSA macoke bara kuma macoka bara ri mateithĩtie na ki kuma macoka bara ri ni accident cigana cihanikite.
Kuringana na ripoti ya ruhonge rwa ukui NTSA yonanĩtie makiria ma andu 1,213 nio moritwo ni mioyo yao mieri 3 mithiru guku aria marathie na maguru mandikithitie namba nene ya ikuo 445 marumirirwo ni atwarithia nduthi 245 na wathii magikinyiria 259. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru.
Ocia mwanya Wanjiru wa Maina ni undu wa riboti iyo na ni iraikora gitweka nyaga ituka mbere gakorwo tugikiria atwambe turihe bill ciganona ni turacokereria guku ari kwa Muthingi TV.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera +7 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Hihi ni uramenya uria Zenawi Real Estate icenjetie miturire ya Akenya aingĩ gukinyaniria iroto ciao. Na riu turakurehera Juja Gardens Phase 6 na iria iri mwena wa Juja tugakwenderia muigana wa shiringi 850,000. Migunda ino iri na ready title deed. Kiria urabatara no kuriha gicunjĩ kia 30% hari eka imwe ukegira na bloti. Ririkana migunda ino iri na mai, thitima na barabara njega. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria tucerere mwena wa Ruiru Gitwamba Plaza, second floor, kana utuhurire thimu namba niyo 0794880000. Namba ya thimu ni +78988 pata title uitwe busi.
Nĩ twacokereria ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũikara na ithuĩ gũkũ arĩ kwa Muthingi TV marĩ mohoro ma hwainĩ. Tũgĩcokereria kĩondo-inĩ gitũ nĩ atĩ John Moi ũrĩa nĩ mwana wa kana ũrĩa nĩwe mwana wa ũrĩa warĩ mũtongoria wa kerĩ wa bũrũri Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi nĩ arekirie kũhurũka. John ahurũkire na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 60 na nĩ ndeto ĩkĩrirwo mũkonde nĩ andũ a bamĩrĩ yake na kũrĩa maikĩtie rĩtana na makĩria mauga makorwo makĩheo kanya ga gũkorwo makĩmũcakaya na kũrĩa kana atongoria aingĩ nĩ makorirwo magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ciao cia macakaya. Amwe wale matũmĩte nĩ ta President William Ruto kũrĩa augĩte atĩ John ararĩ mwĩrutĩri na mũndũ mwendi bũrũri wa Kenya. Haya na kuma goko kwa Muthingi TV tugathie na mbere kuga Jane aroma makwega kuraga na pole sana kuri family na hamwe na bururi na tugithie na mbere ni ati aturoge ginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru koko orire thirikari kurumirira kana kuhitukira ruhonge rwa ugitiri wa nyamu ni uthiete na mbere gukorwo makirigira kana ni mambikite mihango ya kuiriga mutito wa Menengai no uri kaunti ino ya Naikuru auri biashara na makiria aria makoretwo mwena wa Kreta ni moretie kana ni moretie ruhonge ruru ukorwo magitigirira ati ni mairigira mwena ucio kuona ati andu aingi mathiaga kuu gukorwo makiruta muoyo.
Nguruga cia kirima-ini kia Menengai kaunti ya Nakuru na banene ya agendi kuma guku bururi-ini undu umwe na nja wa bururi-ini ni mekinyagia kuo kwirorera uthaka wa nguruga icio. Nguruga-ini cia kirima giki kuri na aingi aria manatabaniria ngero cia kwiruta muoyo ona kana guikio ni aria angi. Undu uyu ugitwariria onjoria aria mendagiria indo ciao kuri agendi nguru-ini cia nguruga icio kuria thirikari irigicerie nguruga icio na ruirigo rwa thitima riri mutito wa Menengai uria uri kirima-ini giki irairigwo.
Uringienda KFS matwikire kana ta government ni matwirigire haha tondu ni ha risk muno riria andu meguka mekwirorera matiroragira wega ringi ni ukoraga andu marathi kwirorera mundu agatindiruka akagwa mangitwikirira karugiri hau undu andu marikoragwo me safe na tourist okarugama hakirorera ri agakorwo safe no tukene muno nigetha twitharutia wira ha na tukiruta wira tukamenya ageni aitu me safe ona magwa tutikuoya haso ya guthi kuikuruka kuria kumagira.
Onjoria aya matongoretio ni muikariri giti wao James Maina maugite ni makoretwo maheanite riandikithia riri riao amu nio makoragwo mari andu a mbere kuhonokia aria mangikinya guku mari na ithugunda ria kwigera ngero.
Viewpoint so handu haha ni tukorwo tukiugora fence rugi haria guardrails cio ndu tukiagithia kahinda kanene nyiri tuona bado inigitani tutiona tutigihatisaunda kaundu kegega.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa mititu bururi-ini Alex Lemakoko augite kwirigirwo kwa mutitu uyu kirima-ini kia Menengai ni njira imwe ya kurigiriria ciiko ta icio cia kwigera ngero amu gutiri mundu urihotaga kuingira guku atari mwitikirie.
Hii fence ambayo tumeweka hapa maana yake ni kwamba inabadilisha msitu huu kwa sababu umekuwa msitu ambao wakati mwingine umetumiwa vibaya. Watu wanapeleka wale watu wanaenda kupiga watu kule ndani. Wizi unafanyika kule, ng'ombe wakiibiwa kwa sehemu ya Rongai wanaingizwa kwenye hiyo msitu na wanapotea kwa sababu Kreta ni ngumu kuingia. Sasa hayo ni maneno ambayo ataisha.
Kirifotera Muthingi TV, Geto wa Geshi wa Wachira.
Kogene ati nao aikari akuma kaunti ya Isiolo ni mauritie thirikari yoe makinya make watho kurumirira miario ya mubunge wa tene wa Lugaria Cyrus Jirongo uhoro-ini wigie giko kiria giakorirwo gigitio mwena ucio. Aikari aingi maugite ati agiko kiria giakorirwo gigitio wathani-ini wa President Moi ani giacungiriirie aikari aingi gukorwo makirwara makiria kana gukorwo makirwara murimu wa cancer.
Aikari kuma kaunti ya Isiolo ni moritie thirikari yo itwa kurumirira miario ya mubunge wa tene wa Lugaria Cyrus Jirongo uhoro-ini wigie giko kiria giateirwo mwena ucio hindi ya mutongoria wa tene wa bururi Moi undu uria ucungiriirie mututhuko wa mirimu ta kansa icigo cia Marsabit, Isiolo, Wajir na Mandera.
Inasemekana ya kwamba kuna mambo imezikwa katika sehemu hii yetu ya Northern Kenya ambayo natanga iko position imewahi kuzikwa during the last regime ya late mzee Moi. Na kwa hivyo hiyo kitu ambayo kwamba serikali yetu ya tukufu ipate kuchunguza.
Akiaraniria na andiki ya mohoro Osman Sharif uria ni muikari mwena ucio ni oritie thirikari yethe kihonia hamwe na gwetha mitaratara ya kweheria giko kiu. Oho ni oritie thirikari ya kaunti yo mateithiririe family iria igumirwo ni murimu wa cancer kuonania matingihota kwamukira urigiti wa kuigana ni undu wa marihi maiguru.
I want to request the PPG kwa sababu ile county ziliathirika ni county ya wafugaji. A parliamentary pastoralist group ambayo anaongezwa na chairman yake ni Meja Bashir. We petition the government of the day kwa sababu we have so many cases of cancer carnage ambayo saa hii wale walifariki na wale sasa wameathirika ambayo wako katika manyumbani zao to battle that monster of cancer ni wengi. For one, lazima we petition the government to compensate the family ambayo walipoteza maisha yao.
Kurumirira miario ya Jirongo ni kumbukite ati ministry ya hinya iria iri na uigiririki hari wenji wa maguta rugongo rwa bururi ni makoretwo magite giko kia mwena ucio undu uria ucungiriire mirimo itaramenyekana.
Iko video tumeona hapa Kenya, uko Northern Kenya, serikali iliyopita ya President Moi uko mbele wameleta nuclear waste ya Europe, walichukua pesa na wamezika hizo vitu yote chafu katika wilaya ya Marsabit, wilaya ya Isiolo na wilaya ya Wajir.
Mwandiki munene ruriri-ini rwa Boranja Mare Goricha ni atetetie itua riu undu uria augite giko kiu ni kiigite aikari hatikaine na kuria oritie thirikari yethe kihonia niguo kweheria giko kiu mwena ucio.
Kwa hivyo serikali, sisi watu wa area hii tuna complain, tunasikia mbaya na kama serikali achukui hatua ya kutoa hizo vitu, sisi napeleka hawa kotini.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, Getwo King'ori.
Kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria atongoria kuma kaunti ino na makiria mobunge wa Mwea mundu gwitwo mirima ingi ni mokiriire na njira nene thirikari ni kiria maugite ati aikari kuma kaunti ino ni maithie na mbere na kuhinyiririka kana ni mathie na mbere kuhinyiririka thutha wa ru kana thutha wa kaunti ino gukorwo na muiyuro wa mai uria maugite ati ni urakorwo ukiiga aikari kaunti ino hatikaine ya gukorwo makirwara na makiria andu aria mahandite mucere kaunti-ini ino magakorwo magithokerio mimera yao.
Kiandegwa na umoja kuma na floods na ndorire nyumba cigitwarwo ni mai ndarigwo riu what is happening. Kuna maundu meri marekika, kuna effects cia global warming na kuna andu matarutite wira wao metagwo National Irrigation Authority tondu gutuikaga ungiaga ku plani uplanaga kugwa takorwo mitaro ni yari kiria takorwo mitaro ni yari mithondeke na makarora makona ati kuna migunda ya birigia kurimwo ya juakari ni magirirwo ni makorwo mejete mitaro ya kuruta mai ma floods kumonoreria the main canals niketha mathie rui no riu ndurite njaritio voro cio na ndigutiga kwaria nginya riria magatuthondekera Mwea gutige gukorwo na floods tondu maya ni maundu mangigiririkia. Ngacoka nguga atiriri priorities ciao ni misplaced, they are totally misplaced. Ukonaga National Irrigation Authority na ndio kana president ni akoragwo na ndeto ici, ukonaga maraka mikawa magiakaga manyumba manene no core business ya National Irrigation Authority ni gwika ati ni go take care of the schemes iria cikoragwo Kenya, ni go take care of mukulima wa Kenya.
Mai na capacity ya mai ara turaruta kuma self group matira korwa mai enough. Koguo project ino ya borehole ino mheshimiwa aturetere umuthi ni weka mwega muno thukuru ino tondu riu ni tukora na mai sufficient enough.
Thiini wa wiki imwe ndokoriketie wira wa kwenja borehole ino nigetha twamenya ni mai maigana tungihota gukorwo tukiona haria tuke riu twake mwaka ucio ungi uria ugakorwo twina itangi tugakalea riri iguru elevated twitaga elevated tank twikire bombo na twikire solar system iria irihuraga mai macio nigetha mai komena raithi handu ha gutumira thitima ino ya kawaida.
Na tugithie na mbere na ruo ruhonge rwa thirikari rwa waki wa nyumba na wonjoria wa mataoni wi mutaratara-ini wa gwaka thoko minyanya kundu kungi kaunti-ini ya Narok cia muigana wa mbeca ya bilioni 1.3. Gavana mundu gwitwo Patrick Ntutu niugite mutaratara ucio ni ukwambiriria na kuria augite ati ni gukorwo makiria ugiteithiriria aikari kaunti ino ya Narok.
Commodity area Narok tuko na soko saba ya ESP market. Tuko na Mturere pahali tumetoka, tuko na Suswa, tuko na Runga hii soko ya hapa, na nashukuru Your Excellency tulikuja na majority leader na we identified this area, na ninaona ile matunda tulifanya na chairman na majority leader, matunda imefika, na tupigie majority leader makofi, sababu hajaachilia governor. Tulienda pamoja na tukaprea na tumeendelea mzuri. Tuko na soko ingine Wasonyiro, tuko na kwa chairman, tuko na soko tunakuja Monday, chairman tunakuja kwa Monday. Tuko na soko ya Mudikil na Mamboleo, na tuko Nchore. Hii soko zote tunafanya sababu ya ile pesa tumepata kwa from housing committee, courtesy of our chairman. Na ameniambia pesa iko, hii soko tutafanya na 4 months. Kwa hivyo tukicheza na soko zingine, tafadhali tusicheze na soko za Narok. Mimi nataka kazi yangu.
Masoko mingi zilijengwa hata mahali watu hawajui hiyo ni soko. So tukarudi tukawaambia nyinyi nende mkachore sasa soko mpya, ndio wananchi wetu wapate masoko, soko yenye inawekwa mahali yenye watu watataka kuuza huko, na pia ikuwe modern markets yenye iko na kila kitu. Na tunashukuru walileta hizo michoro na ikapitishwa, na ndiposa leo tuko na soko ya muhimu hapa Ololunga.
Sio sababu wakati ile tulienda kuomba hizi masoko, watu walikuwa na shida sana. Hizi masoko zote mnapeleka wapi? Tukaambia tuko na ardhi, tuko na kila kitu ya kujenga hiyo masoko. So tunajenga ile Asuswa, hiyo tunafanya tarehe 24. Leo tumekuja Ndulele, hiyo tumeanzisha leo, na hii ya Ololunga. Na ile ingine ya Wasongiro. Wale wakina mama ambao wanausanga chakula na wanauza nyanya pale kwa soko ya Wasongiro, wanakaa karibu na lami. Sasa hawa ndaondoa waende pale ambapo ni pazuri ili waweze kuuza chakula yao.
Tugithie na mbere turikia ginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Githii na kuria muingi kuma wadi-ini ya Masige guku ni kaunti-ini no ya Kisii ni makomithitie na njira nene njuragano ya mwana umwe uria na ucio ungi kana muruna wake arakorwo agitigwo kana arakorwo agitigwo akiri uru na kuria maugite ati borithi a kaunti ino no ginya kana borithi agicigo giki no makono ginya makorwo magithamia ni kiria maugite ati ni magondereire wira-ini wao kuringana na DCC wa kaunti ino ni oritie aikari uko makiheana kana makorwo makirana kana makorwo makiuga no ugikorwo rekire kana no ngerokorwo marekire giko giki kuona ati ni giko kina magigi.
Mtoto mdogo, mtoto wa mchane ambaye baba yake Nyabuto aliaga kitambo, sasa ako hospitalini na mwingine ameaga. You want us to sit here and clap for ourselves? Is it wrong for us to demand that the police officers of Mosaria cannot sit in a meeting where we are discussing them? Hawa wako na shida. Tunaongea sasa, kila mama ambaye ameongea hapa, uliona mama mwingine akiongea hapa na akasema alikuwa karibu kuwa raped. Huyu ni mama ya mtu, anatoshana mama yangu. Wamama kule Nyachenge wanafuruzwa usiku. Mama mwingine hapa amesema watoto hawezi enda province asubuhi because wakiamka kutoka kwao wakienda na kuna giza, they will be raped. And this is not Baragoi, this is not mahali huko tunaita zidino distant. Hapa ni Kisii, Mosaria, in a village. And you want people on DCC to continue speaking and castigate the officers who are armed. I am not armed. Hawa mama ambao wanaongea hapa hawana bunduki. Wewe uko na bunduki, askari wako na bunduki. Na unataka mimi niseme askari atolewe hapa, ako na bunduki, anifuate usiku. I want to ask you, mkutano itaendelea tu wakati afisa wa Mosaria wanatoka kwa mkutano.
Hicho kitendo kilitendeka, watu wawili walikamatwa. Jana walipelekwa kotini kuchukua plea, na DCI aliomba more days kufanya uchunguzi na alipatiwa 21 days kufanya uchunguzi. Already sample, DNA sample ilichukuliwa kutoka kwa marehemu, na kuanzia kesho pia sample itachukuliwa kutoka kwa suspects.
Akatoa zawadi mbalimbali na asante viongozi.
Na riboti yo kuma kuu kaunti-ini ya Githii ni raikorwo gitweka hanya kangi gaukorwo tugeikiria ndakorwo githikura ikuona ati ni turacokereria na mangi maingi na makiria ginya kuria iharo-ini tobe twikirie ni turacokereria.
cia gutire ngware mbico nikio na ithue ria nauma ngo-ini tukiumagara tukeribariba niguo tukahange guku ari tabarira-ini ya mwihang'eri guku kwa Muthingi TV.
Uguo ni tutambũrĩte kĩo na werutĩri waku mĩethere-inĩ. Nikĩo tũkaga o hau haku wĩra-inĩ tukagĩa gĩikaro tukamenya ũhangaga atĩa na wanjĩrĩirie atĩa.
Ndekaga indo bundi thondekaga indo cia thukuru kuma baby class.
Ngĩandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo.
Nĩ o kiumia wa kerĩ ciĩhanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia ũtukũ
tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'eri o gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV na ni Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe.
Na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station kana gũtwarwo criminal court ni ũndũ wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tubatie kumenya uria mundu angietha kihoto giake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent.
Kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia tokoga na indo equally.
Watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo.
Nyitana nani Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaa 2 cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciĩgiĩ watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema. Nitwacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithue guku ari kwa Muthingi TV na gitio kinene riu njitikiria ngoro ngigutwara nginya kuria iharo-ini na kuogumenyithie uria ciana cia atumia cia gitinda ikigarikana tukiambiriria makiria ma athaki 200 ni matanyetwo kunyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia golf cia gĩtaro kana cia Afrika ya irathĩro iritanyetwo gukorwo igitwarwo nginya kuria mwena wa Kakamega Golf Club. Mbĩtĩka ici ni cionete athaki aria makorirwo makihotana mwena wa Eldoret na mwena wa Mombatha mwaka muhĩtũku na makiria mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba ni makorwo makinyita itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici.
Lazima iende huko kwanza. Kwanza na mwanga hiyo. Nataka kurudi.
Na tugitigana na icio nayo bengi ya Absa ni erohetie kandarathi yao na kuhura njeki mahenya ma Kipkeino Classic arikire kari ya gatano kuria mahenya maya matanyitwo kwa makihanika tariki 20 akiharo-ini kia Nyayo National Stadium betikana kana bengi no ya KCB Absa makoretwo makineana muigana wa shiringi milioni 40 na kuria maugite ati imwe igukoro ikihuthika hari mehaririria ma athahanyuki aria marithi wa miaka 20.
I really don't know what to expect next week, but I'm excited. I know it will be a good run. I know I'm ready, looking at how I ran the Indo season, breaking the national record twice. So I know I'm ready for this one.
Tuko ready. Fans mkuje kwa wingi. Uwanja iko open. Usikae kwa nyumba ukisema una watch kwa TV.
I would wish to speak to two issues. The first one is the importance of this event to the ministry and this country in totality. You know, when we started speaking about the Kipkeino Classic, we had not appended the name Absa. And let me take this opportunity to congratulate Absa for walking into a space that is going to give them a plus in the business that they are undertaking in this country.
Our commitment as Absa to sports has been dated over the last 10-15 years. As a brand, we believe in supporting sports across different facets. Over the last 10 years, Absa has invested up to 1.2 billion in sports, cutting from athletics to golf to football, just nurturing the spirit of sports in the country. We remain very committed to continue with this endeavor, and specifically around athletics, which we have now selected as our flagship sporting event to support as a brand. As Absa, we like to say your story matters, and there's nowhere where you find that coming alive than in athletics, where the young men and women who make the country proud. The profile of brands is made what it is by athletics.
All athletics came with something called a world plan. A world plan to make sure that all the athletes get enough competition, they have enough opportunities, and they can earn money. So when it was decided, we in Kenya, as Athletics Kenya, we took the opportunity also to apply and to request all athletics to allocate us one of the continental events here in Nairobi, which they did. And it has been done for the last 5 years, as it has been said here. And so, allow me to congratulate those who have been involved in this arrangement from that time up to today.
Roge ginya kuria gitaro-ini kia ruraya na betika cia Europa League ni gukora ikihorwo Shafi Hwaini wa omothi na kuria maundu ma guikara githemba giki Liverpool magukora magitungana na Atlanta kiharo-ini kia Anfield. Benfica matungana Marseille kirafu kana kiharo-ini gia Sport Lisboa Benfica Stadium. Milan magutungana na kirafu kia Roma kiharo-ini kia San Siro, na Leverkusen magukora magitungana na kirafu kia West Ham kiharo-ini kia Bay Arena. Haya, na ripoti ya beteka cia Europa League ni raikorwo igitwikirira gaturumo Mohoro Hwaini wa omothi gatho cia mwanya ni guthienekana niwe waikorwo gitwirorera kuma riria gukeire nginyagia riu na tugakorwo tugucokeria gatho tukwiraga tutingiriho utariho mundu gwetwa Tael ni tukiuma nake mwena wa directing, mundu gwetwa Lea na muhuri wa mbica Max auma mwena wa graphics, wa Theka auma kure mwena wa TX nake mundu gwetwa Jacinta no auma kure mwena wa digital kana niyo itagwo social media. Haya nginyagia muthenya wa rucio ngwira Ngai wa muoyo akwende akweige na akurathime ni getka wa boy wa jao rutororikanete ate we wa bata raria mwaki